As per the report published by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, many cities in India spend between 30 to 50% of their solid waste budget on the street. A significant proportion of effort is directly related to the flaws in public behavior, such as littering the public areas and streets.
The cost of removing waste that is scattered on the streets is very much higher than the cost of collecting similar waste that has been placed in containers such as domestic waste bins or litter containers.
In some cities, however, a high proportion of street waste arises from deficiency in the garbage collection service. As a result of this, residents dispose of domestic and shop waste in the streets.
To understand more about our problem statement and project, we interviewed the corporator Mr. Sunil of Ward number 61, Vidyanipuram, Mysore. Mysore City Corporation Engineer Mr. Chetan and a few Safai Karmacharis. We asked them about their problems. They replied that people throw waste and litter the city, though a lot of effort and money have been spent on creating awareness, installing dustbins, and charging penalties. On an average one, Safai Karmacharis collected 700 people in the city. Safai Karmachari are provided with just a broom with a long stick and a pair of gloves. Only a few are provided with an iron trolley which is heavy to pull. They express their difficulty in collecting the different kind of waste like plastic, dry leaves. The minimum cleaning tools that they have been provided with the considering all these problems, we decided to design a multi-purpose broom kit with a compact trolley that can help Safai Karmacharis to clean the road effectively. We looked at designing a compact trolley with heavy duty wheels, easy to push, and can hold different brooms and accessories. The trolley has three different compartments in which the various brooms and accessories are placed and can be accessed easily and quickly. All the brooms have an option to fit either lightweight or heavy duty handles. The handles have also been expandable option.
With all these useful features, compact design, and cost-effective and multi-purpose trolley, we would like to propose our model to deploy to clean the roads of Mysore City Corporation.
This will help to clean the city clean and help in maintaining the health and hygiene of the people. Mysore city can continue to be one of the cleanest city in India.